Want to sound more like a native Thai speaker? In this video, we're breaking down key phrases from Affair The Series Episode 1. Stick around to take your Thai to the next level. Let's get started.
แล้วก็ใช้นี่กับนี่แล้วก็ใช้นี่กับนี่
Means, and then use this, and this.
แล้วก็
Means, and then. And if you want to learn all about how to use this in detail, click the YouTube card above or check the link in the description for a full explanation.
ใช้
Means, to use.
นี่
Is a very versatile word in Thai, and it can be used in several ways depending on the context. First, it can mean this when you want to refer to something close to you, like an object or person. It also acts like a particle when you want to add a little emphasis at the end of a sentence. Moreover, if you need to get someone's attention, like when you're trying to say, hey, or look here, you can use it as an interjection. It's like a quick call to grab someone's focus. Lastly, it can even be used to mean here, referring to a place close to you.
กับ
Means with or and.
แล้วก็ใช้นี่กับนี่แล้วก็ใช้นี่กับนี่ช่วยตัดสินใจช่วยตัดสินใจช่วยตัดสินใจ
Means to help me decide.
ช่วย
Is a highly flexible and important word in Thai that primarily conveys the idea of help, but can be used in various contexts to form polite requests, express urgency, or talk about assistance in general.
ตัดสิน
Means to judge or to determine.
ใจ
Means heart or mind, but when combined with.
ตัดสิน
It forms the verb decide or make a decision. It's like saying you're using both judgment and heart to reach a conclusion.
ช่วยตัดสินใจแล้วก็ใช้นี่กับนี่ช่วยตัดสินใจก็เขาไม่ได้อยากได้อะไรก็เขาไม่ได้อยากได้อะไร
Means, I just don't want anything.
ก็
This word is used as a conjunction and can be understood as just or so, adding emphasis to what follows. เขา In informal or colloquial Thai, it is often used to refer to oneself in a cute or informal way, meaning I.
ไม่อยากได้
Means, don't want or don't desire to get.
ไม่
This means not or no, used to negate the verb that follows it.
อยาก
This means to want or to desire. However,
อยาก
is always followed by a verb, not a noun, indicating that it's about wanting to do something.
ได้
Is a versatile word in Thai that, when used as a verb, means to get or to obtain.
อะไร
Generally means what when used in questions. However, it can also mean anything or something depending on the context.
ก็เขาไม่ได้อยากได้อะไรก็เขาไม่ได้อยากได้อะไรเขาอยากเป็นแค่เขาอยากเป็นแค่
Means, I just want to be.
เขา
Means, I, used informally or in a cute way.
อยาก
Means to want or to desire.
เป็น
Means to be.
แค่
means just or only.
เขาอยากเป็นแค่เขาอยากเป็นแค่เขาไม่ต้องการอะไรแล้วเขาไม่ต้องการอะไรแล้ว
means I don't want or need anything anymore. เขา means I
ไม่ต้องการไม่ต้องการ
means don't need or don't want.
อะไร
means anything.
แล้ว
means anymore.
เขาไม่ต้องการอะไรแล้วเขาไม่ต้องการอะไรแล้วเขาคงเหงามากแน่ๆเขาคงเหงามากแน่
means I'd feel really lonely or I'd probably feel very lonely for sure.
คง คง
means probably or might, indicating an assumption or likelihood.
เหงา เหงา
means lonely.
มาก มาก
Very. This intensifies the adjective.
แน่แน่
means for sure or definitely. This adds emphasis, making the assumption expressed by
คง
stronger. It suggests that the speaker is quite certain about the likelihood of feeling lonely.
ๆเขาคงเหงามากแน่ๆเขาคงเหงามากแน่ๆเขารู้ละเขารู้ละ
means I know.
รู้ รู้
means to know.
ละ ละ
A contracted form of.
แล้ว
It is commonly used in informal speech to indicate that something has been completed or a state has been reached.
เขารู้ละเขารู้ละคุณเพลงช่วยเขาหน่อยสิคุณเพลงช่วยเขาหน่อยสิ
means could you help me, please? Playing is the name of the person being addressed and
คุณ
is a polite title used before someone's name, similar to Mr. or Ms. in English. Cow refers to me in this context.
ช่วย ช่วย
This means help.
หน่อย หน่อย
Polite request particle. This particle, which typically appears in requests, means just a little and serves to minimize the imposition on the listener. It softens the request and makes it more polite, ensuring that the speaker's request doesn't sound too demanding. It is commonly used in sentences that begin with
ช่วย
meaning help or
ขอ
meaning ask for or request.
สิ สิ
Is another particle used to emphasize a request, making it more encouraging or persuasive. It adds a sense of mild urgency or friendly insistence to the sentence.
คุณเพลงช่วยเขาหน่อยสิคุณเพลงช่วยเขาหน่อยสิเขาจะช่วยคุณหาแฟนเองเขาจะช่วยคุณหาแฟนเอง
means I will help you find a boyfriend.
จะจะ
Indicates the future tense, meaning will.
ช่วย
Help.
ค้นหา ค้นหา
To search for or to find.
แฟน แฟน
Boyfriend or girlfriend.
เอง เอง
Typically means by oneself or on one's own. In this sentence, it emphasizes the speaker's personal involvement in helping her friend. The speaker is taking charge and directly offering to assist in finding a partner. In the next video, we'll discover what kind of boyfriend playing we'll find for her friend one. Stay tuned. It's going to be exciting.
อืมเขาจะช่วยคุณหาแฟนเองเขาจะช่วยคุณหาแฟนเอง